So who wants to open it, Daniel?
Sure, let's get it.
Can you say that properly?
Skateit.
Thank you.
Okay.
There we go.
Okay.
Luke knows how to do it. Give it a good and then pull down. Yeah. Let Freddie do it. He knows how to do it.
You're gonna smash. You're gonna hit me.
Oh wait. What does that say? Fragile. Wait up.
Oh, you got it.
Freddie. It's okay.
You're a thing.
Wow. This is from New Zealand.
Wow, look at that. The first people to tape it onto the board.
Hey, bro. My name is Ike, and I'm from New Zealand. I'm 13 years old
Ald.
and love to skate thanks to you guys.
It says Ald.
Oh, it does say Ald. I've been watching your channel for about 1.5 years now, and I decided that I wanted to send you something, so I have. I've sent you a New Zealand warehouse board since we don't have a Walmart, but I think that they're pretty much the same type of store. I thought it would be interesting to see what you thought of the board. I have upgraded the grip tape for you with bottle tops from the rubbish at my dad's work. I hope you like it. Then there's something that's crossed out here.
I know you can kick.
P.S. Lance, we all know you can kickflip the 3 now, so... Oh, you gotta see it. It would be cool. Well, too bad he crossed that out. You got this first try?
I don't know. I just feel like we're gonna break it instantly.
So let's look at this New Zealand Walmart.
It's a nice design.
I wonder what the price of this was. Wow, this is cool.
Oh, dude.
Those are from the rubbish, by the way. Thanks for sending this, Ike. This is awesome. Let's skate this and see how long it lasts.
I think Lance gotta kickflip it because he called you out. Yeah, you got it. Ike called you out.
Yeah,
He said down the 3. I can kickflip it on flat.
the 3 is not an option.
Kickflip off? I hate when he wins. You're gonna lose, Teddy.
Sick.
Follow me.
Good game. No slide challenge?
I like Ike sandwiches.
Yum. Well, no slides well. How's it feel?
Terrible.
Come here, let me see those bearings.
Look, you can hear it.
That's nice.
Oh my god, that's so bad.
Those are those ABAC .3s.
Wait, did the grip tape peel off like paper?
Oh yeah.
Oh no.
Skate it till it breaks, game of skate. Look at the trucks.
They're on a hard right turn. That's a whole nother level.
Well, Daniel took all of the bottle caps off of the goofy flicking side.
Nice.
Olympics, here we come.
I just think it's crazy how the grip tape is like paper.
I think this is the hardest board I've ever tried to skate.
We got some beef going on, huh?
The one time I don't actually lie to you, he doesn't believe me.
Yeah. Nice. Daniel,
What do you say?
Like,
Should
how
I-
do you drop one of those?
But I landed it though. It just stopped when I landed.
You're gonna break it, bro.
Okay.
It's like in the middle balance. It's like a balance beam.
I think it's the Olympics. You have balance on that wall trying to skate.
Oh, that was almost fire. I have to give props to Walmart. Like, their boards are much better than this. You know, downvote to Warehouse in New Zealand, because, like, step up your game. When's the last time somebody landed a trick?
Landed on it.
Come on, bro. Can you, like, land it for real?
Alright, my bad. I didn't know that's what you wanted.
Counts. We need it. It counts. Throw a bottle at him while he's landing it.
They'll land as he's bottling it.
Nice. That would have been sick.
Thanks.
What? That's good. 3 seconds. He was on it. Oh!
That's primo.
Whoa, whoa, chill, chill.
Cracked it at primo.
I always feel like it's Luke's like ankle that's cracking. Wow, Luke, that was terrible. What? First tee, phone flip.
That's a strike. Dude, mad love to New Zealand though. Love that.
Yes. Wow. Oh! Samwise is out.
The board is made out of paper.
It's kind of hard when you're getting shot.
He's busting a cat. Betty, land something and just like kill him. I don't even know why you can't skate it. It's a really good board.
Oh wow, this is fun.
Is it easy to skate?
No, it's so hard.
Yes. No. This close to counting it. I gotta say, this is a pretty good game.
This is the most exciting game, is what Fetty just said.
That's one thing about a game like this is when someone finally lands something, it's like the biggest deal in the world.
Such a great experience.
Yeah.
Look at this. Oh, look. Oh my god.
Oh, what? When did that happen?
Just now.
Seriously? Good thing there's spacers.
Are you guys still
playing?
Just play it.
There we go. Oh, it popped back.
What now, Luke? You're acting like you were gonna win, so cocky, and now you're losing?
When did I ever say that?
Dude, that must suck to get your own medicine.
I knew right from the beginning Fetty was gonna win. It's true, Fetty wins every time.
Talking all that smack.
Should we break it now?
Oh my gosh. That was kind of easy, I feel like.
Awesome.
I can't ever break boards.
It's gonna go all in.
So, what'd you guys think of that board?
It was fantastic.
It was great.
Nice, huh?
It was down under.
Cool. Well, thank you so much, Ike, for sending us that board. That was a lot of fun to skate.
And thank you for your sandwiches. They're delicious.
If you have something to send us, send it to skateit@brailleskateboarding.com. We do love your guys' submissions. In fact, I'd be down to try Walmart boards from around the world. Like if you live in France and you have a Walmart of France,
Germany,
send it to us. China,
Brazil,
Japan,
Well,
Mexico,
China probably has all the
America.
good stuff.
Venezuela,
China's
Argentina,
probably like titanium, like
United
goes by
States.
itself.
So anyways, if you have something, send it to us,
Where's the
okay?
United States?
Thank you guys for watching. Please
Hawaii.
subscribe, like, leave a comment below. We will see you next time. Connecticut.
Definitely check out Skateboarding Made Simple. It's available on all these platforms, iBooks, BrailleSkateboarding.com, and Google Play. It's the most comprehensive video we've ever made, and it teaches skateboarding better than anything else out there. You won't be disappointed.